What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tommy Kentner here. Today we're going to do a unboxing for you of the Torque Solution TGVs, and these are billet cutouts, and they just stamp the tumbler out of them. But I was just going to try to. It's kind of a new product. I haven't really seen. I've seen the IEG ones and the Cosworth ones, which are really good products. So these are actually I think the cheapest ones on the market right now. So that's why I wanted to snag a set for any of you 08 plus WRX and STI guys and see what you're getting for your money. So let's dive into it. All right, guys, we're gonna pull everything out of the box. Here's your TGVs, pretty nicely packaged. It comes with all the new hardware. And even comes with new bottom gaskets, which it might have an O-ring set up in here too. And it comes with a nice Torque Solution sticker. So we'll get that out of the way. So the quality is really good on them. I don't see any imperfections. I mean, it just looks really top notch. Torque Solutions is putting out some good stuff. But these right here with the inlet should give you about what I've seen is about 25 wheel horsepower gain. It is a lot of work to do these, so I would recommend doing them if you're going to upgrade fuel rails too, and that way you can kind of do the combo punch and knock it all out at the same time when you have to pull the whole intake manifold off. But guys, just wanted to give you like a quick unboxing of the Torque Solutions TGV deletes, and we'll be doing a few more of these, so y'all stay tuned. If you want to drop a comment below, because I get so many products in for WRXs and STIs and a few other cars, drop that below and I'll try to do an unboxing on that if you're interested in buying something. If you need any parts, hit me up at TK Auto Works, or on Instagram. If you have any questions, drop me a line on there on Tommy Kentner or TK Auto Works, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Peace.